Finding sums less than 10 is another addition game that you can use the bead bars for. There are a couple of ways that you could play a game finding sums less than 10. The first way is to pick a sum. We're going to sum for 9. Let's find all the combinations that make 9. We have an addend. Our first addend is 1, is our first part, and the second part is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. The first part is 2, and the second part is 7. That equals 9. And continue on until you've found all the combinations. What you will find is that after 4 plus 5, the addends switch places, and you still have the same addends, they're just in a different place, but they still equal 9. This is the commutative rule of addition, and it's true for multiplication as well. So with this lesson, laying it out like this, you can also show them that rule that we can switch the places of the addends and it will still equal the same amount. Another way to play this game is to show children a flashcard or a little ticket with a fact on it and getting out the two addends and finding what they equal. So 5 plus 3, we can see 5 and 3 is 8. 4 plus 2, we can see that 4 and 2 is 6.